The moment I got to LA, I didn't really know what to expect. Because for sure we'll be expected to work hard and to be acquainted with a lot of different people from different cultures. During our orientation, as soon as the HR finished touring us around Terranea and we got to meet all the chefs, I was ready. In the Pastry Kitchen, apart from being the coolest and most fun kitchen in Terranea, everyone's expected to do well. I feel very honored to be able to make my own recipes and to work with such amazing bakers. They let me create and be myself, and I think that's important. I'm just very grateful that I was able to learn from them and to share my own knowledge to them. I was asked to transfer from the bake shop to a fine dining outlet of Terranea, Marcel.
So 2 scallops today, 1 barbecue shrimp, tortilla, 1 salad, and a chicken.
Marcel is definitely a different world from the bake shop. I knew this was going to be a big step for me, so I took it. I was so anxious at first, but I was welcomed well by everyone and they didn't shy away from teaching me how to do stuff. After my first few weeks in Garde Manger, they put me on the fish station and then on the grill. Then I was rotated through a lot of different stations week per week. I made a promise to myself to be better each day, to never stop learning, and to always keep the fire burning. What I love about Terranea is how they're practicing sustainability. When we got introduced to the Terranea farm and we got to take some of the produce there, it opened my mind to a lot of possibilities. Imagine having a farm that will supply your own vegetables, eggs, spices, and honey for your restaurant. Being able to pick, prepare, and use these products in my cooking was a dream come true for me. Probably one thing that I'll never forget throughout my experience here in California would be having the chance to meet these amazing people. Having that genuine friendship with everyone helps make my work here a lot easier and my stay here less lonely. Since I only have a year here, they took me everywhere to experience the local cuisine and to have fun during our days off. I realized that I have so much more in common with a lot of people here, which is why living here wasn't difficult for me. I feel very lucky to be a part of Terranea's team. The year that I spent here has been wonderful, and this is something that I will carry with me as I go along this journey.
Hey guys, Lika here of Global Academy. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, recipes, and updates about our school, simply click on the Global Academy logo.